What's going on, guys? Garrett back again with another video, and today we are going to be hitting up a few outlets here in Arizona, seeing if we can find some Nike shoes to flip online, StockX, GOAT, things like that. Now, I picked up this side hustle just for fun because I really enjoy shoes. I've always loved the whole sneaker culture and things of that nature. And in my off time, I like to go hit the outlets, see if I can find some profits. And I found this to be one of the easiest ways to make money as a beginner online, is just flipping sneakers on StockX, GOAT, and just eBay, anywhere online. So I want to make this video, kind of show you guys how the business works, go see how much money we can make, and just kind of give you some tips along the way. I actually just sold these right here. Picked these up literally a few days ago from the outlets they were $35 on clearance, 25% or 20% off. So they ended up being like 28, 29 bucks with tax. I got paid out the payout will be 44 once these get verified on GOAT. Cool thing is about GOAT is you can sell sneakers without the top of the box on it. So these were just like a quick $16, $17 profit, but they sold super quick. I also picked up these Jordans right here. Nothing special, but I sold a ton of these on Amazon, which most people aren't allowed to sell Nike on Amazon, so I'm kind of lucky. But I also picked these up in powder blue colorway. Those sold literally within 2 hours of buying them on GOAT. Only about $25 profits on these, but they sell quick. So just want to kind of show you guys a few of my sales that I've gotten on GOAT in the past few days. Check out this little new wagon I got for the outlets, because now with this whole virus thing going on, they will not let you stack shoes at the front. And I sell on all platforms, so I'm usually buying, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 pairs at once. So since I can't stack anything at the front, they make me carry it all around, so it's a struggle. So I went ahead and bought this wagon. Probably looks smaller than it really is on camera, but just got that to kind of help me. I'm going to look like a weirdo carrying a wagon in the mall, but hey, you got to do what you got to do. I picked this up for about 80 bucks, so I see quite a few resellers actually having these at the outlets. So got it from Costco, so if you're interested, hit up Costco. Alright guys, so I just went into Converse, picked up 2 different types of shoes. Get this mask out the way. I got some Golf LaFleurs. These are going for about $110 on GOAT, and I paid about $43 after tax for each of these pairs, and I got a pair of the 3M ones, so not bad. I'm about to head into Nike, see what I can find. Alrighty guys, we are here at the second outlet mall. The first one, we found those 2 pairs of Golf LaFleurs at Converse. Pretty good scores. They're about $40 to $50 profit each. Found a few pairs at Adidas that could be flipped on GOAT, but other than that, there wasn't much at that specific location. Found a ton of other stuff to flip on other platforms, but as far as GOAT and StockX, found the 2 pairs of Converse that will for sure sell because I've sold them before. And we also found a couple pair of Adidas that are kind of hit or miss. Worst case, I can flip them on another platform that I know they do well on. But we're here at this next Nike outlet. At this mall, we're probably gonna hit up Nike, maybe Marshalls. There's a Burlington and there's an Adidas. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna hit all 4, but we're definitely hitting Nike. So I'm gonna head on in, see what I can find, and hopefully we can find some good scores. Alrighty guys, so we went to Nike here, got some cool stuff. Got a few decent, cool looking pairs, and then just got some average stuff. I'm gonna show you some of the pairs. So one of the pairs we got is just a bunch more of these Nike Zoom Gravities. They're $34.99, 20% off, so it came out to like 28 bucks. I sold a few pairs of these on GOAT last week, so, I had them go in the back as well and get them with the full boxes, so I can sell them on StockX too. They go for about 60 bucks. So after, the fees and things, I'm making probably $16 profit on each pair. Got about 6 pairs of those. Not huge scores, but if you're doing reselling from the outlets, especially on like StockX, GOAT, things of that nature, you're not always gonna find those home run Vapor Maxes, retros, things like that. You're mostly finding those hot shoes if they get returned. So if you want to be successful at the outlets, you kind of have to go for just average stuff that sells, make 15, 25, 30 bucks profit per pair, and just do volume. That's what I've found the most success with so far. So if you're gonna get into the shoe game at the outlets, that's what I'd recommend doing, and then always definitely look for the home runs. Now I have a pretty good relationship with the employees at this specific location. They went in the back and pulled these out for me. There's some Jordan Deltas. I guess they sold out. I've never seen them before, but I looked them up and they're going anywhere from like 130 to 160 on goats, and on StockX I think they're going for like 130. I paid 80 bucks for them, so probably gonna make like 30, maybe 40 bucks profit on these. Not bad. By far my favorite pair. They pulled these out of the back as well for me. There's some Vapor Maxes, just some women's ones. I believe these are like the cherries or something. I don't know exactly what they're called. Pretty cool, fly knit Vapor Maxes. They were listed at 134, but they rang up for 99 plus 20% off, so I picked them up for 80. Not huge profits on these. So I've seen one go on StockX for like 170, and then I seen another pair sell for I think 100. So it's gonna be hit or miss on these, but I think if I hold on to them, get the right price, I should be able to get at least closer to 140 for these. Minimum, I'm gonna aim for like 160 to 180. Alrighty guys, sorry for being all sweaty. It's actually 112 degrees here in Arizona. Don't know if you can see that or not, but we're heading to UPS. Got to drop off a few packages for GOAT. I'm gonna head on home and show you guys exactly what I found. Alrighty guys, back home. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff I picked up today and some of the estimated profits once all these items sell through. In this video, I'm kind of dedicating it strictly towards selling on like GOAT, StockX, things like that. So I'm gonna show you some of the sneakers. I definitely got a lot of other sneakers and tons of other stuff to sell clothing on different marketplaces online, but this video is dedicated to strictly StockX and GOAT. So the first pair I picked up were these Nike Zoom Gravities. I got 4 pairs. I got 2 size 11s, a size 10, and a size 12. These were $35, 20% off. So they came out to about $28. I've been selling these for quite a while on different marketplaces for around $60. So after the fees and things like that, payout's about $46, I believe. So you're looking at roughly a $20 to a $22 profit on each pair of these. So I got 4 of these today. And these actually sell very quickly, surprisingly. They don't go for super high price points, super high profits, but they do sell volume. So definitely like picking these up. Next pair of shoes I picked up were these women's Jordan Deltas. Apparently, at least I know in the men's sizes, these sold out. They're actually kind of cool. They're not retros or anything, but they're sold comps on eBay for 170. There's sold comps on StockX for as high as 170, I think. And I got them listed on StockX and GOAT, so whichever sells first. I got them listed for 160. I paid 80. So after payout, let's say about 140. I'm looking to make anywhere $55 to $60 on this pair. Great tip for you guys, build good relationships with the store employees. I always go in there and say, hey, do you guys have any returns in the back? They always go and check. They brought these out. These were actually a return. So it's always good to have those connections with the employees, to always go in the back room, see what they got, and see if there's anything for you. Next pair I got are some Vapor Maxes. They're women's, they're fly knits. Picked these up for about, they're 120 and then 20% off, so just under 100 bucks. Not huge profits on this pair, probably only gonna make like $30 profit. They're sold comps on eBay for 180. They're sold comps on StockX for around the same price. I got it listed for 170, so after fees, I could make upwards of $50. Not huge returns, but these will sell quickly, so not a bad pair. I love selling these. I don't know, I love Vapor Maxes for whatever reason, so I always like picking them up. Next pair of shoes I got from the Converse outlet, these Golf LaFleur Converse. These are going for about $100 on GOAT. I sold a ton of these in just different colorways back when they had a rush of them on StockX and GOAT, but they had some more on the clearance section. No box top, but hey, most people have them listed for $100, so I listed them for the same. I got these for $42 out the door, so if they sell for $100, I'm looking to make probably double my money on these, so not a bad pickup. Next pair, we have another Golf LaFleur. These are the reflectives or whatever they're called. I'm not even sure. They're size 10. Same price point, $42. These ones are only going for $75, so pay out $62 on GOAT. So I'm only gonna make like 17 bucks, but they should sell fairly quickly, and I had to find 2 pairs, buy one, get one 50% off, so this was the only other pair I could find that I could flip, so I bought it. So together the average between the two, about $30 profit between the 2 pairs, $30, $40, so not bad. Just one quick trip right next to Nike, scored an extra $70 in profit. The pair I got were some of these Adidas U-Path runs. They're $55, 40% off, so got them for around 30 bucks. They're on Goat for roughly $80-ish. They're sold comps on eBay for $80. I bought these because I can sell them on Amazon. I sell this specific model on Amazon like hotcakes. So if they don't sell on Goat, then I'm just gonna, after about 30 days, I'll just send them in. Picked up about 7 pairs in the black colorway. I picked up, or maybe it was 10 pairs in the black colorway for $30. And I also picked up a bunch of the neon ones. These ones were actually 60% off of 85, so I paid about 30 something bucks as well. These sell great for me on Amazon, but I'm gonna try and list them on Goat, see if they sell. But that's about it as far as shoes go for Goat. I got a ton of other shoes, even though I always say I'm not going to sell shoes anymore on Amazon. Every time I go in there, I seem to leave with a bunch of shoes, but that's about it. I got about 15 pairs total today for Goat. Again, I was sourcing, got tons of stuff from Ross, got stuff from Nike, sandals, all types of different stuff. So don't ever limit yourself to one platform, one type of item. I oftentimes, if you're trying, again, like this video, make $100 per day reselling, don't just limit yourself to one platform, one type of items. If you're going out there, flip whatever's hot. Like, for example, I flipped a bunch of these from Target, right? These little toys, right? I made about 10 bucks a pop on these, but I flipped about 30 of them. So don't always limit yourself to just shoes or toys. Whatever you can profit off of that has demand and you can move quickly, pick it up, guys. I always see, especially at the outlets, I see people, they go in there, they're only looking for retros, Vapor Maxes, Air Maxes, like the hot type of shoes, but they skip past like these, you know, easy little Nike Epic Reacts that sell, the Zoom Gravities, those easy Adidas shoes. They don't sell for as much profits per shoe, but you can move volume in them, right? And they're more readily available. So I always see resellers at the outlet kind of skipping past all these shoes. I'm like, I'll pick them up and make a $15, $20 profit on them. I mean, you're already there. Why wouldn't you just pick up an extra 20 pairs of shoes, make 20 bucks profit on each? I don't get it, but some people pass up on it just because they got egos. They only want to sell the cool retros, but that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. If you're interested in making money online, reselling, selling products online, all different e-commerce platforms, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, let me know your top StockX or Goat flip within the last 30 days. I'd love to hear it. Where'd you source it from? What's been your overall best flip? Would love to know down in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.